Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer customer retention from Netflix to Hulu. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. The first step is to assess your current Netflix usage. Identify the shows and movies that you frequently watch. Create a list of your favorites to serve as a reference. Next, explore Hulu's content library. Check if your favorite Netflix titles are available on Hulu. Use Hulu's search feature for easy navigation. If a title isn't available, look for similar options in Hulu's catalog. Once you've identified content on Hulu, consider checking subscription options. Hulu offers various plans, including ad-supported and ad-free options. Choose the plan that fits your viewing habits. After selecting your plan, sign up for a Hulu account. Follow the registration prompts, entering your email and password. Once your account is created, customize your profile settings. This may include setting up user profiles for different family members. Next, take a moment to explore Hulu's recommendations. The platform suggests content based on your viewing history. Consider taking advantage of Hulu's personalized features. Add shows and movies to your watch later list. This helps you keep track of what to watch next. After you've settled into Hulu, start watching your favorite titles. Engage with the platform by rating content as you watch. This helps Hulu refine its recommendations for you. Lastly, stay active on Hulu to maintain similar viewing habits. Consistent engagement can enhance your customer retention experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.